Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to show you how it goes with my workshop. It was really fearful storm yesterday and honestly I'm really happy I finished with the walls, and as you can see everything's okay here. So I really wanted to make straight walls, but when I calculated how much it costs, I stopped on this idea. So it's kinda I don't know how to call this, uh, village style. After it I want to paint it with a white color, and I think it must be nice. I started to make kinda windows, I don't know how to call this. It's covered with polish to protect the wood. Well, I'm not really professional, but for this moment it looks like this. I want to add some more wood here, and of course here. I left it inside yesterday because of the rain, and it looks like this, kind of more light color, more yellow. Yeah, it's not finished from that side, but I think it must be nice. Hello. So it goes somehow. A lot of job to do, but that uh, that's already something. Yes, I wanted to put bricks on the floor. These ones, that's about 200 ones here, and they all will be used for the floor. Oh yeah, it was a storm yesterday and I had to work a little bit for it, but it's not that strong as in Croatia, so we're almost okay. The cats are already working outside in the garden. Hello, kitty. Okay, thanks for watching. Sorry for my awful English, and be careful. Bye.